to show you how to make a pom-pom. And these are Clover pom-pom makers. You can get this entire set on Amazon for, today you can get it under $10. So it's not very expensive and they help make really nice pom-poms. So I'm just going to show you with this one. And you want to start with it all together first. It might actually come in two pieces. It comes apart like this. So stick it together and then you open it up so the two sides are together, not like this, but all kind of lined up in parallel. And then you take your yarn, you hold your yarn, and then, hold it in here, and then you're just going to wrap all the way around both of those pieces put together. Around and around and around. You don't want it up on this piece, and you don't want it up on this piece at the end. But you do want to fill up that entire space. The fuller it is, the more full your pom-pom, your finished pom-pom will be. All right, so it's pretty good on that side. It's flat. I want to get this so that it's in the middle. And then I close it up. Oh, wait, I need to be on the other side. On this side, I close it up, and then I come over here to this side, and you go again. Okay, so this side is now finished too. I close it up just like that, and I cut it off. You need a small, sharp pair of scissors for this. Now cut off another piece of yarn. I like to do it pretty long because after I tie this together, then this is what I'm going to tie it onto my project with. So with your scissors, before you do anything else, you're going to cut the yarn right down the center. All the way through, okay? Missed that little end. And then on the other side as well. Okay, it's cut everywhere. Now I take this yarn and I'm going to put it right in the center. You can see there's a gap. I'm going to put it around. I'm going to tie a double knot, left over right, right over left. I'm going to pull that all the way down. That was my left over right. Here's my right over left. All the way down. You want that to be tight. And then you just pull it apart. So I said, oh wait, here, I have to take this part off first. Take that out. Pull it right apart. And there is your little pom-pom. If you want to go in, if you have a few little extra pieces, you can just trim those right off to shape it to the shape that you want. But really very easy and cute. You can see that's why you want it to be nice and full, so you get that full shape. And then you can use these if it's on a hat, for example. You could put these down into your hat, and that's how you would you just tie that around a couple of the stitches, and there you have a pom-pom.